Hi guys, today we will be looking at short OO which produces the sound oo. Oo. A, f, o, t. A foot. B, o, k. Book. K, o, k. Cook. K, o, k. E, cookie. K, o, k. Crook. F, o, t. Foot. F, o, t. B, a, l. Football. G, o, d. Good. H, o, d. Hood. H, o, f. Hoof. H, o, k. Hook. L, o, k. Look. N, o, k. Nook. Note. B, o, k. Notebook. R, o, k. Rook. R, o, k. E, rookie. Sh, o, k. Shook. S, o, t. Soot. St, o, d. Stood. T, o, k. Took. W, o, d. Wood. W, o, d. N, wooden. W, o, f. Woof. W, o, l. Wool. Now, you as in p, o, l, pull also says o. O, p, o, l, pull. You as in p, o, t, put also says o. O as in p, o, t, put. You as in p, o, sh also says o. O as in p, o, sh, push. Other spellings with the U sound. O-U-L as in k, ould, also says U. O as in wolf, wolf, also says U. O-U-I as in bullion, bullion, also says U. Thank you very much, everyone. I truly hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. Guess what? You will also find links with videos to help you with grammar. And the link to our decodable readers that are available on Amazon will be in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!